If you want to start your own SMMA agency, listen up, because this one is going to be big. So let's go over everything you're going to get in Acquisition Mastery when you join. So first of all, you're going to get access to Acquisition Mastery course. Okay, it's a full proven strategy to scale your agency using Skool, which is an amazing platform. We'll get in over everything later. Also, you'll get live Q&A calls with me, okay, 2 times a week, and a bonus one on Friday. As well, you're going to get access to the Acquisition Mastery community. Okay, it's a full community with like-minded people, with other agency owners who wants to scale their businesses, so you're able to actually form connections in this community. Also, we'll give you a bonus, so we have a roadmap for a one-on-one call, as well as we're going to have access to all the previous recording calls, so if you want to go back and watch some of them. And as a later bonus, we're going to also have a Meta Ads mini series where you can actually show you how to grow your agency with Meta Ads and grow your own community, which we'll get into that as well. So in here, you're going to see the classroom where we're going to have all of the courses. Okay, so we're going to have a Start Here course, so we're going to outline how we're going to do everything to make sure you succeed in this course. Then we're going to have the actual Acquisition Mastery course, where we'll get into it as well. You're going to have the live calls right in here, all the recordings, and the Meta Ads mini course over here. Okay, so inside of the course, actually, you're going to have a few different chapters. If you go into it, as you can see, we have 7 different chapters that you will go in through. And in here, obviously, inside of the community, you can actually type everything and connect with other like-minded agencies. Really like it. Okay. We just went through everything on the Acquisition Mastery course. Okay, this is everything you're going to get inside of it. Obviously, this is a $2,000 value, and you're just getting it for free. Okay, no money involved. You don't need to do anything. Just sign up your email, get your name, get your picture, and you're done. Okay, and you can join. So in this course, you get easy to follow up strategy to grow your agency. You get step-by-step courses, a supportive community, and live call with direct support. So why join? Obviously, as I said, it's $2,000 and it's totally free. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you inside.